Hello. A variety of spacer devices are available to help you use a metered dose inhaler. This video will show you how to use your metered dose inhaler with a volumatic spacer. A spacer is an attachment which makes it easier for you to use your metered dose inhaler, especially if you find it difficult to coordinate pressing the inhaler and breathing at the same time. It also helps to get more medicine into your lungs. If you use your inhaler and spacer correctly, you should have better control of your breathing problem. But if used incorrectly, you may have poor control of your condition, with the risk of side effects, such as a sore throat or mouth infection. We're going to show you 2 ways of using your metered dose inhaler with a volumatic spacer. To assemble the spacer, firmly fit the 2 halves together. If possible, sit upright or stand up when using your metered dose inhaler and spacer. Remove the cap from your inhaler. Hold the inhaler upright and shake it firmly 4 or 5 times. Insert it into the spacer. When you're ready, breathe out gently as far as you comfortably can. Place the mouthpiece of the spacer into your mouth and between your teeth, but don't bite down on it. Close your lips around the mouthpiece to form a tight seal. Press the top of the inhaler down and take 1 slow, deep breath in whilst keeping your lips sealed around the mouthpiece. You should be able to hear the valve click or rattle as you breathe in. If you cannot hear the click, tip the volumatic upwards and try again. Tipping the volumatic helps to keep the valve open. After taking a deep breath in, hold your breath and take the spacer from your mouth. Continue holding your breath for 10 seconds or for as long as is comfortable. Now breathe out slowly. Here is an alternative method that you can use, particularly if you find it hard to hold your breath. After putting the mouthpiece of the spacer into your mouth, press the top of the inhaler down and take 5 normal breaths in and out through your mouth whilst keeping your lips sealed around the mouthpiece. You should be able to hear the valve click or rattle as you breathe in. If you cannot hear this, tip the volumatic upwards to keep the valve open. Whichever method you use, you need to breathe soon after pressing the inhaler, otherwise the medication will fall to the bottom of the spacer instead of going into your lungs. If your doctor has told you to take 2 puffs, wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then repeat the whole process again using your preferred method. Remember to shake the inhaler between doses. Once finished, replace the cap on the inhaler to keep dust out. If your metered dose inhaler contains a steroid, usually known as a preventer, brush your teeth or gargle with water after every use to prevent mouth infections. It's important that you look after your spacer, and here are some tips. Wash your spacer before its first use and then twice a week. Gently pull the 2 halves of the spacer apart. Do not take the valve apart. Wash the parts in warm water with washing up liquid. Do not rinse the spacer and do not rub it dry. Let the parts air dry naturally at room temperature. Washing and drying the spacer in this way helps to stop static building up, which can stop your spacer working as well as it should. Wipe the mouthpiece clean of detergent before you use it again. Your spacer should be replaced every 6 to 12 months, but some may need to be replaced sooner. If you're unsure about how to use your metered dose inhaler and spacer, speak to your GP, practice nurse or pharmacist for assistance.